Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. My name's Joanne. I make cleaning and organisation videos, and in today's video I'm going to be taking you along with me as I clean my house, so I really hope this gives you some cleaning motivation. So here I'm just heating up my Bissell Steam Shot, which is a handheld steamer, and I love using this to clean different areas of my house, but in particular the bathroom, because the steam acts as a disinfectant, so it's really great to use in the bathroom, particularly around the toilet area. So here I'm cleaning up the powder room, so very similar to how I cleaned up the bathroom. I'm just giving a quick vacuum to the top of the toilet because a lot of dust settles there, and same using the steam cleaner just to give the toilet a really thorough clean and wiping down the bench top. So to quickly and easily get some of the fur off our sofa, I like to use this little gadget which I just got off eBay, and it's just a pet fur roller, and you'll see you just move it along back and forth and it brings up all the fur, and you'll see it'll get it all in this compartment here, and you can just pull it out and put it in the bin. And I do like to go over the sofa with a vacuum cleaner as well, but this is really good just to get off that majority of fur in the first instance. vacuum the floorboards, because there's a lot of dog fur that gathers on our floors, I really like to go around with this large brush and just sweep up all the fur into one area and vacuum it up, and then I go in with my vacuum mop to give the floor a really thorough clean afterwards. So this vacuum mop is my new favourite cleaning tool. I absolutely love it. It makes really quick work of mopping the floors, which is a cleaning task that I really don't enjoy doing. So I first heard about this vac mop through the YouTube channel Jamie's Journey, which is one of my favourite channels to watch, and she has a different version of the TINECO vac mop, but this one is the TINECO Floor 1 S3, and if you're interested, I did actually do a sort of review and tutorial on my channel, so I'll link that in the description box below if you're interested. But it's really fantastic at cleaning up the floors, and it's easy to use on a daily basis, particularly if you're someone like me who doesn't enjoy mopping. It makes really easy and quick work of it. I always find it really satisfying when I finish vac mopping to actually see all the dirty water that collects and all the other dirt and debris that you've picked up. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video and got some cleaning motivation. If you're interested in learning more about the TINECO vac mop, I will leave the link for that video in the description box below. And I will also link to my cleaning playlist if you want some more cleaning motivation.